Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is What's for Dinner, and tonight we're making venison meatloaf. So let's get you in here for some ingredients. Okay, I have some of this 2 pounds of ground venison that was processed locally here by Mosley's Meat Market. Then also, just got some of this cheap Kroger brand Applewood smoked bacon, couple eggs, green bell pepper, a white onion, also some crushed red chili pepper flakes, and then of course for the sauce I'm going to use some of Drew's light brown sugar, of course top quality stuff there, and then some of Drew's breadcrumbs there. But and then I will get to the topping. That will just be Heinz ketchup, and also some mustard, and some of the brown sugar, and yeah, we'll get there. Let me get you back after I get some of the stuff diced up. So I diced up half a green bell pepper, also half a white onion, and about 3 strips of the bacon, because it is extremely lean meat, and I am going to lightly saute them in that pan. So it's definitely heart-healthy food. A lot of people use ground beef. I'm just using some bacon. About the bell pepper, and the 1 bell pepper and 1 onion would be enough. Well, I think it's too much. That's why I did the half of each. I'm just going to lightly saute that up. And this bacon, you can get cheap bacon, because after we mix the bacon, it's a little surprise what we're going to do with some of the rest of it. So here we are. I got my vegetables and bacon sauteed up, and then I'm just going to go and add some salt to taste. Also some cracked black pepper. Little crushed pepper flakes. Couple eggs. I'll bind it all together. Some breadcrumbs, and then I'm going to go in with my sauteed vegetables and bacon. I'm going to get that all incorporated together. Okay, there she be. I'm going to set my oven to 350. I'm going to show you this other step. Be right back. So what do we got here? Obviously a bacon weave, and I failed to mention that I'm using a large cast iron loaf pan. It is going to be difficult for me to get this meatloaf onto here, but I just want to show you a quick basket weave. If you want to check out Tom Horseman on YouTube, he told me, in his own words, to get cheap bacon for this. You won't need thick bacon whatsoever, but you also want to alternate your sides. So that's fat side, meat side. And actually on the first one, I screwed up. I probably won't even need this much, but it's my first time actually doing this. So I got my fat side over here, meat side over there, and let's see. It's a lot easier than you think. Again, this is the first time I have ever done this. And that's Horseman. It's T-O-M space, all spelled out, Horseman without an E. So it's H-O-R-S-M-A-N. And definitely, if you gotta check his videos out. Again, alternating. Let's see here. Again, even if you're 3 sheets into the wind, you can still do this. Not difficult. So there you are. Basket weave. I still have some bacon left over for the morning. Beautiful. Let's figure out how this stuff is made. Obviously, just ketchup, and then I just have some yellow mustard, and then I have some horseradish mustard. That's all optional. You can do spicy, you can do whatever you want. Barbecue sauce, and then I just have some of that. Drew's light brown sugar. Oh yeah, custom made, baby. And then I'm gonna add a tiny bit of this Kingsford. I don't even think they make this anymore. At least you can't get it locally anymore. Brown sugar, applewood, great company. Just a tiny bit. Helps when I remember to turn on the lights. So yeah. There you have it. Can you see it? Looks like Jesus' face. You know, like in the toast. Okay. Anyways, so I have my barbecue sauce. Essentially, it's not really barbecue sauce. A mixture of things. I definitely want to dip this in anything and use it as barbecue sauce. Whoa, Mr. Creepy Face Cam guy.